Black Rock City, a unique city in the middle of the desert. Located far and hidden from the hustle and bustle of world settlements, this area is proof of the roots of the ecosystem of art lovers who come with various backgrounds. Surrounded by the expanse of barren sand, this is Black Rock City, a unique city in the middle of the desert, whose charm is a magnet for tourists and art lovers from all over the world. Black Rock City is a small city with a content nature and is located in the United States. Present in the middle of the barren desert, this city stretches 200 miles and is 193 kilometers from the north of Reno, Nevada. This unique city has been visited by more than 80,000 people each year. Black Rock City has a design shape with an interesting C-shaped pattern when viewed from the air. The goal is to make it easier for controllers who have to traffic and navigate outside the city. Black Rock City, which is located in the desert area, stands for only a week each year. However, in that short time, this place has transformed into a sea of people. For vehicles that snake through the desert is a secret hallam that can be seen. The hallmark of Black Rock City is the Burning Man Festival event, which is so amazing.
Wow.